Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add Roblox games to the RII menu. It's like a Roblox suite, I guess. So you're just going to open up this menu to keep like your favorite games. I'm just going to press the screen to continue. So here are all the games that they have already on the game. So to add like a game that you want, press the add game button, and as you can see it says please insert the ID of the game. You're just going to open up Roblox, and I'm just going to search up Dress to Impress. You can search up any other games that you would like to add to that. Select it but don't play it. Select the ID, right click, and then select copy. And then you're just going to go back, and then you're going to paste it, press confirm, go back, and you'll see that the game is added. Sometimes it doesn't have actually it does have like the thumbnail. You're just going to select it to play Dress to Impress and then press start. And then it will bring you to the game. That is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.